Hey guys, today's video I'm going to tell you how you can set up Temu affiliate program. First thing first, open your browser, type in exactly this, set up Temu affiliate program, and then you will see affiliate program. So what you have to do is tap onto this link and select get started. As you do that, get logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one. In my case, I'm not being able to do so because of my region, but here is exactly how you can do it. First of all, select this affiliate program, select get started, and register with your Gmail or email address. Now, once done, this platform will be very different for you once you're logged into your affiliate account. For example, if you would like to promote this product's link, right? So all you have to do is copy a link. A link will be generated to you by Temu itself if you are a member of affiliate program. And you have to copy the link. Once the link has been copied, you may go ahead share it to your any social media platform like TikTok or Instagram. And if somebody makes a purchase via that link, you will get up to 20% commission. And just like so, guys, there you have it.